ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणव शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद and this we are seeing 18th mantra, page number 388. In Tika, second paragraph, third line. So before that it was said atra iti vaidika nirdharayitum saptami. There are some purva pakshis who say putra, karma and aparavidya, these sadhanas, they are for moksha. पुत्रादि साधनानां मोक्षार्थतां वदन्ति. They are mimamsakas, purva mimamsakas. They say putradi sadhana are for moksha, which is not true. So that khandanam is happening here. They are vavadukaha. In Tika, it was given bahuvadana shilatve hetuhu shrutyukta iti. By the Shruti Ukta Vishesha, which they don't know, therefore they talk too much unnecessarily. Further, Moksharthatam Rinapakarana Shruti Smritibhyam Vadanti iti Sheshaha. Moksharthatam Rinapakarana Shruti Smritibhyam 9 number tippani. Moksha Prapti, this Rina Apakarana Shruti. See, Jayamano 9 number. Jayamano vai Brahmanas. Tribhir Rinair Rinavan Jayate. A Brahmana, when he is born with 3 Rinas. Brahmana means everybody, you should take Upalakshana. Iti Shrutya. Manushya Devadin Prati Rinino Gamyante. Manushyaha, they are Rini, all Manushyas, for towards Devadi. Devadi means Devata, Pitra, Rishi, Bhuta, other Manushyas, everywhere Rina is there. Here 3 you take. Apakarana iti. Brahmacharyena Rishibhyo Yajnena Devebhyaha Prajaya Pitrubhyaha iti Shrutehe. This we saw earlier in quotation. By following Brahmacharya, he will become free from Rishirana. Yajnena Devebhyaha Prajaya Pitrubhyaha. So Rina Apakaranam will happen. Atra Andrani Bhavati iti Shesha. In this way he will become Andrani. Then Rinani Trinyapakritya Mano Mokshe Niveshayet Anapakritya Mokshantu Sevamano Vrajatyadha iti Smritehe. Having eliminated the 3 rinas, Rinani Trini Apakritya, Mano Mokshe Niveshayet, mind should be engaged in moksha. Means after fulfilling all your duties, after eliminating Rina, then you should do this. This is how they would think. And this is actually Manusmriti Vakya. Iti Smriti is given. Anapakritya moksham tu, person who has not eliminated Rina and he seeks moksha, he will fall. But a person in Jabala Shruti, it is given, the person who has Vairagya, then Brahmacharyadva moksham or Grihatva, Vanaprasthatva, from anywhere he can take sannyasa, it is allowed. Moksharthatam Rinapakarana Shruti Smritibhyam. Rina Apakarana Shruti and Smriti, by them Vadanti iti Shesha. Moksharthata. Mimamsaka Paksham Prakrita Shruti Virodhena Dushayati. Mimamsaka Paksha is Dushita on the strength of Prakrita Shruti. Prakrita Shruti means this 18th mantra. Tesham in Bhashya. Tesham Mukhapidhanam Shrutyedam Kritam जाया में स्यात् इत्यादि पांक्तम काम्यम कर्म इति उपक्रमेण पुत्रादीनांच साध्य विशेष विनियोगोपसंहारेण च तेषां मुखापिधानं श्रुत्या इदं कृतं. मुखस्य अपिधानम, अपिधानम and pidhanam, they both are in the same meaning. This sutra is there, avyad apsupah. In Laghu book, in the Avyaya section, before Bhavadaya, you will find some shlokas. The last line is this, on the left page. Apidhanam and Pidhanam, and Avagaha and Agaha. I think that is how.
Vagaha.
Vagaha and Avagaha. Pidhanam and Apidhanam. So they are same. So anyway, you can see that later. Number is 2482. Avyada Apsupaha. In that, these are karikas, they are given there. So these Mimamsakas who are Vavadukaha, then what is happening? Their Mukha Apidhanam is Shrutya Idam Krutam. Mukha Apidhanam means their mouth is covered. Like if somebody is talking too much and unnecessarily, then what do they do? You put a hand on top of their mouth so that they don't talk. So here Shruti is covering their mouth so that they don't go on unnecessarily talking. Shrutya idam kritam. Shruti says, Jaya me syat ityadi panktam. This is kamya karma. How can you get moksha? Through Jaya, Putra, ityadi, with इत्यादि पांकम काम्यम कर्म इति उपक्रमेण पुत्रादीनां च साध्य विशेष विनियोगोपसंहारेण च. पुत्रादीनां साध्य विशेष विनियोग उपसंहार is done. So they will give you sadhya vishesha. Putra will give manushya loka, karma pitraloka, like that. In Tika, कथम इत्याशंक्य श्रुतेर आदि मध्यावसान आलोचनया पुत्रादेः संसार फलत्व अवगमात् न मुक्ति फलता इत्याह. कथम इति आशंक्य श्रुतेः आदि मध्यावसान आलोचनया. Shruti, when you see Adi Madhyavasana, Alochana means you look at it properly through Shadvidlinga, etc. Alochanaya. Then Putradehe samsara phalatva avagamat. Then you know Putradi are for samsara phalam only. Na mukti phalata. Mukti is through Brahma Jnana. Jnane naiva tu kaivalyam. Through Jnana only you will get moksha phalam. Jaya ityadina. Putradinam च इति चकारात् चकारात् एतावान् वै काम इति मध्य संग्रहः. पुत्रादीनां च is given in bhashya, so in the first line, so that chakara is for etavan vai kama. Kama is only up to this, means all this is kamana vishaya only. Etavan vai kama means this is kama, this is putra, vitta, loka prapti, etc. The kamana is there, you will get this. And kamana is avidya karya. So now he is going to talk about that kamana also. Yaduktam ऋणापाकर्ण श्रुति स्मृतिभ्याम पुत्रादेर मुक्ति फलता इति तत्राह. Yaduktam, what was said, ऋणापाकर्ण श्रुति स्मृतिभ्याम. This ऋण apakaranam by brahmacharya, by karma, etc. through Shruti and Smriti, Putradehe Mukti Phalata, Purvapakshi will say. Siddhanti says, Tatraha Tasmad Rina Shrutihi Avidvad Vishaya Na Paramatmavid Vishaya Iti Siddham. This Rina Shruti, that everyone has this obligation towards Rishi, Pitru, etc. These Shrutis are for Ajnani. Avidvad Vishaya. Na Paramatmavid Vishaya. Paramatmavid, somebody says, I am neither of them. Means I am Avidwan. I am not knower of Paramatma. But I want to follow this path. I want to follow moksha, marga. So then, according to you, I will fall in Rina Shruti. So they will say there is a method. Vidhivat method is you have to take sannyasa. Either Vividisha sannyasa or Vidvat sannyasa will allow you to become free from this. And those who think there are social obligations, they definitely will have Vedic obligations. Those who don't feel they have social obligations, they can be exempted from Vedic obligations. You cannot say that, no, socially I have to go here or go there, meet this person, meet that. Vedic, no, Veda, I am beyond them. That is not okay. If I can spend all my time in sadhana, and I don't care about how people look at me, what people think about me, he is unsocial person, this, that, I don't care. Then it is different. So these Shrutis are for Ajnani. Which Shruti? That what you have to do for eliminating Rishi Rana, Deva Rana, Pitra Rana, etc. Tika. Putradehe Shrutam Samsar Phalatvam Paramrashtum Tachabdaha. Putradehe Shrutam Samsar Phalatvam. Samsar Phalatvam, which is given in Shruti for Putradi, means Putra, Vitta, etc. They will keep you in Samsara only. That Paramarsha is done through Tat Shabdaha. Tat Shabdaha? Where is Tat Shabdaha? Tasmat. Shruti Shabdaha Smriter Upalakshanartha. And Shruti is Smriti also, you should understand. Shruti Smrityoho Avirakta Vishayatve वाक्य शेषम अनुकूलयति. दो श्रुति स्मृति, the devarina, rishirina, pitrarina, those shruti smriti, they are for avirakta person, the one who does not have vairagya. Avirakta vishayatve vakya shesham anukulayati. The one who has vairagya, for them there is a different set of sentences. See, vakshati cha in bhashya. Kim prajaya karishyamo yesham no yam atma yam loka iti. This is 4:4:22. This is prasiddha. Kim prajaya karishyamah. So that other person said, I want praja because putrena ayam loka jaya. This person says, what are we going to do with children? Kim prajaya karishyamah. So you will get ayam loka. He says, for us, yesham naha asmakam ayam atma ayam loka. We want atma loka. We don't want this manushya loka, pitru loka, deva loka. We want atma. Atma loka means atma eva loka, atma loka. So we don't want praja, etc. For us, na karmana, na prajaya. You see those three, they are exactly for this pankta. Karma, praja means putra, and vittam means daivam vittam, manusham vittam, etc. All are negated there. And that is a constant reminder for sannyasis. So he says, Kim praja karishyama. टीका मीमांसक पक्षं निराकृत्य भर्तृ प्रपंच पक्षम उत्थापयति. मीमांसक पक्षम निराकृत्य. मीमांसक पक्ष is nirakrita, eliminated. Now bhartru prapancha, they are advaita ekadeshi matam. In some things they agree, but sometimes they differ. केचित् तु पितृलोक देवलोक जयो अपि पितृलोक देवलोकाभ्याम व्यावृत्तिरेव. केचित्, some people, this bhartru prapancha mata, they say pitraloka devaloka jaya. Victory over pitraloka devaloka means going beyond pitraloka devaloka. Their vyavritti. Pitraloka devaloka bhyam vyavritti hi eva. How? In tika. Manushya loka jayas tato vyavritti hi yatha iti aper artha. Manushya loka jaya is tato vyavritti hi. This is how they think. Manushya loka jaya means winning over something means overcoming it. So manushya loka jaya means manushya loka vyavritti. So in the same way, pitraloka jaya means pitraloka vyavritti, devaloka jaya means devaloka vyavritti. This is the artha of api. Pitraloka devaloka jayo api. Ape hai kim artha? Manushya loka jayas tato vyavritti hi. In this way they understand. पुत्रादि साधनाधीनतया लोकत्रय व्यावृत्तावपि कथम मोक्षः संपद्यते. नहि पुत्रादीनि एव मुक्ति साधनानि विरक्तत्व विरोधात् इति आशंक्य आह. पुत्रादि साधन अधीनतया लोकत्रय व्यावृत्तावपि. पुत्रादि साधन अधीनतया लोकत्रय व्यावृत्ति. The three loka vyavritti. Purva Siddhanta is asking them. Putradi sadhana adhina lokatraya vyavrittavapi katham moksha sampadyate. Nahi putradini eva mukti sadhanani. Putradi, they are not moksha sadhana. Viraktatva virodhat. Because putradi are for avirakta. It was said earlier. Virakta person will say, what are we going to do? See 10 number tippani. वैराग्य संन्यास प्रतिपादक श्रुति विरोधात्. Sannyasa Shruti and Vairagya Shruti, they will have Virodha. So therefore these putradi shrutis, they are not for mukti. See what this Bhartru Prapancha they are saying? Pitruloka Devaloka Jaya means their vyavritti. Means neither you will, if you do karma, you will not go to Pitruloka. Means you have jnanam. Then you do karma. Because jnanam is there, karma will do Pitruloka vyavritti. Upasana will do Devaloka vyavritti. Otherwise, that akarane pratyavaya will come. Those who are attending Naishkarma Siddhi, this topic is going to be elaborated there. But in brief, this is their thinking, this kind of Puravaksha. That if you have jnanam, but at the same time, you continue to do karma. They are samuchayavadis. So your pratyavaya will not be there. Karma will be performed, upasana will be performed, and you will get moksha. नहीं पुत्रादीनि एवं मुक्ति साधनानि सिद्धांति से इति आशंका है तस्मात् पुत्र कर्म अपर विद्याभिः समुच्चित्य अनुष्ठिताभिः त्रिभ्यः एतेभ्यो लोकेभ्यो व्यावृत्तः परमात्म विज्ञानेन मोक्षम अधिगच्छति इति परंपरया मोक्षार्थानि एव पुत्रादि साधनानि इच्छन्ति. I think it is very clear. See, putra karma apara vidyabhihi, putra karma and upasana, by these three, samuchitya, you do samuchaya along with paramatma vijnana. Paramatma vijnanena samuchitya. Anushthitabhihi, when you do karma upasana ityadi anushtanam, etebhyo lokebhyah vyavrittah. So now he will not go to these worlds, Pitru, Deva, Loka, etc. and I am Loka also. And Paramatma Vijnanam will give moksha. So according to them, Manushya Loka Jaya means you will go beyond Vyavritti. You don't have Manushya Loka now. Pitru Loka Jaya means you will not have Pitru Loka, like that. मोक्षम अधिगच्छति इति परंपरया मोक्षार्थानि एव पुत्रादि साधनानि इच्छन्ति. So paramparaya putradi sadhana will give you moksha, not sakshat. Sakshat paramatma vijnanena, that they agree. In the world, how people say, no, you do this so that these desires will go away. Later you will not ask for this. You do that so that that desire is also gone. Like that, people explain. What their meaning is this, they are this Bhartru Prapanchavadi only. But what happens is, when you are in that, then it is not easy to start thinking like a virakta, like a sannyasi. And the one who is sannyasi at heart, his thinking will be different. This is the fundamental change, you know. टीका पृथिव्यै च इत्याद्या उत्तराश्रुतिरेव मीमांसकमतवत् भर्तृप्रपञ्चमतमपि निराकरोति इति दूषयति. पृथिव्यै च, this which is the Shruti, this mantra, the current mantra, 18th, पृथिव्यै च एनम अग्नेश्च दैवी वाग आविशति, this mantra, पृथिव्यै च इत्याद्या उत्तरा श्रुति एव, this Shruti does both मीमांसक मत खंडनम also, भर्तृ प्रपंच मतम also. मीमांसक मतवत् भर्तृ प्रपंच मतम अपि निराकरोति इति दूषयति. तेषाम् अपि मुखापिधानाय इयमेव श्रुतिः रुक्ता. टू शट देयर माउथ ऑल्सो तेषामपि मुख अपिधानाय इयमेव श्रुति, दिस श्रुति इटसेल्फ उक्ता श्रुतिरुत्तरा कृत संप्रत्तिकस्य पुत्रिणः कर्मिणः त्र्यन्नात्म विद्याविदः, डोंट रीड एज स्त्रियन्नात्म विद्याविदः, कृत संप्रत्तिकस्य पुत्रिणः कर्मिणः त्र्यन्नात्म विद्या विदः फल प्रदर्शनाय प्रवृत्ता. The Shruti, this 18th mantra, Pravritta, is engaged in what? Krita Samprattikasya Putrinaha. Who is this person? Krita Samprattir Yena, Pita. This is Pita. Means Pitra Saha Krita Samprattikah. Tasya Putrinaha. Putrinaha means the one who has Putra. Putrin. Karminaha, and the one who does karma. Triannatma Vidya Vidaha. The three annas are Vangmana Prana. Means he is also doing Upasana. For that person, Phala Pradarshanaya Pravritta. In Tika, Katham sa tanmatam nirakaroti iti ashankya shrutim vishinashti krita samprattikasya. How this shruti does nirakaranam? So this shruti is pravritta for phala pradarshanaya. What kind of phalam? Anitya phalam. For the one who has all these sampratti karma, the one who has done, who has putra, who has done, and who is triyana atma, etc., etc. Tika. नात्मोपासितुस तदाप्ति वचन विरुद्धम परमतम इति अयुक्तम तदाप्तेरेव मुक्तित्वात् इत्याशंका आह. त्र्यन्नात्म उपासितुः, the one who does upasana of these three anna. What are they? Vangmana prana. Prana. त्र्यन्नात्म उपासितुः तदाप्ति वचन विरुद्धम. Tadapti means this prapti of moksha. Vachana viruddham paramatam iti ayuktam tadaptereva muktitvat. Their prapti means this putra prapti, pitraloka prapti, devaloka prapti is not moksha. Tadapteheva muktitvat iti ashankya. Purvapakshi will do this ashanka. Siddhanti says, na cha idameva phalam moksha iti shakyam vaktum. This phalam is moksha, that you cannot say. So many people, they do so many things. None of that is a Brahma. Without Brahma Jnanam, nothing is moksha. All of them are some kind of, you can have siddhis. You can be riding on elephant and you can be having long nails and sit in the ground and long jata, and all that is possible. But that is not moksha phalam. So, Trayannatma prapti is not moksha phalam. तथापि कथम यथोक्तम फलम मोक्षो न भवति And how this yathokta phalam is not moksha? In Bhashya, त्र्यन्न संबंधान मेधा तपः कार्यत्वात् च अन्नानां पुनः पुनर्जनयत इति दर्शनात्। त्र्यन्न संबंधात मेधा तपः कार्यत्वात् च अन्नानां. This anna is associated with medha tapa. Medha and tapa are the karana. This was said earlier. Karma and upasana. And they are punaha punaha janayate. Again and again they are produced. Putra, loka, all these kind of annam or vang, manaha, prana, etc. And because they are kritaka, they are anitya. Anitya cannot be moksha. टीका त्रयन्नात्मनो ज्ञान कर्म जन्यत्वे हेतुम आह. They are jnana karma, means karma upasana janya. In that hetu is given punah punah janayate. Sutrapter amuktitve hetvantaramaha. And sutra means hiranyagarbha prapti is not mukti. In that another hetu is given. Sutrapter amuktitve hetvantaramaha. यद्धैतन्न कुर्यात् क्षीयेत इति च क्षय श्रवणात्. शरीरं ज्योतिरूपम् इति च कार्यकरणत्व उपपत्तेस्. त्रयं वा इदम् इति च नामरूप कर्मात्मकत्वेन उपसंहारात्. यद्धैतन्न कुर्यात् क्षीयेत इति. If this anna was not produced again and again, then kshaya would happen, that we already saw. Kshiyata. Then kshayash iti cha kshaya shravanat. Shariram jyoti rupam iti. In this it is given sharira is karya, jyoti is karana. Karya karanatva upapatte. So jyoti is in the form of karana for sharira karya. So it is utpannam through this kind of upasana jnana. Trayam va idam iti cha nama rupa karmatmakattvena. And this was already said, which we saw. Trayam va idam nama rupa karma. No, we have not seen it. Is going to come. 161. Trayam va idam nama rupa karma. Nama rupa karmatmakattvena upasamharat. So these three annam, they are nama rupa karma. Everything is their karyam. Earlier we saw in this way that the three Vedas are these, the three worlds are these, everything. You remember those mantras we saw? Avidya tad uttha dvaitasya trayatmakattvena upasamharat tad atma sutra bhavo bandhantar bhuto na muktiriti yuktyantaram aha. Dvaitam is avidya uttham. Avidya tad uttha dvaitasya. Avidya and avidya karyam dvaitam. Triyatmakatvena, it is in the form of this Triyannatmaka. In this way, upasamhara is Triyatmaka means nama rupa karma. Upasamharat tad atma sutra bhavo, that which is pervades in all as a sutra, Hiranyagarbha, is also part of bandhana only. Somebody says, I have understood all this. Just tell me what I should do. Then for that person, path is very clear. Keep doing Shravanam and just do one bhakti sadhana or upasana. And of course, whatever obligations that you have to keep fulfilling until you overcome them. Do keep doing Shravanam, means have enough Shravanam in your life. One. Second, some upasana, you keep it not for Hiranyagarbha Prapti, etc., for any other obstacles that keep coming in the path of Shravanam. Like in the morning session, we saw 4 obstacles were there. Paramatma, Kripaya, you are overcome. Vishayasakti, Prajnamandyam, Duragraha, Kutarka. So all of them will be overcome. That you keep doing. And if Bahirmukta is more, then you do lot of Karma Yoga also. Otherwise, you do this. And best way to keep yourself engaged in Shastra, you study, and if you can teach, you teach. That way your mind will engage in that. Trayam va idam. टीका ननु अविरक्तस्य अज्ञस्य सूत्राप्ति फलम अपि कर्मादि विरक्तस्य विदुषो मुक्ति फलम इति व्यवस्थितिर नेत्याह. ननु अविरक्तस्य अज्ञस्य, अज्ञानी हु इज अविरक्त, सूत्राप्ति फलम अपि कर्मादि विरक्तस्य, एंड दिस सूत्राप्ति फलम, हिरण्यगर्भ प्राप्ति फलम, कर्मादि विरक्तस्य विदुषो मुक्ति फलम. सो यू हैव टू रीड दिस वे. अविरक्तस्य अज्ञस्य सूत्राप्ति फलम अपि कर्मादि अपि, एंड कर्मादि विरक्तस्य विदुषो मुक्ति फलम इति. दिस इज द व्यवस्थिति. Therefore, this Nama Rupa Karma and Hiranyagarbha Prapti is not moksha sadhanam, not moksha phalam. Nacha idameva sadhanatrayam samhatam sat kasyachin mokshartham kasyachin triyannatma phalam iti asmadeva vakyad avagantum shakyam. Somebody says, let's do this arrangement. Same putra vitta upasana, a putra karma upasana. Some people will get Triyanna Prapti, Hiranyagarbha Prapti. Some people will get moksha, same sadhana. Idameva sadhana trayam samhatam sat. Kasyachin mokshartham, for some people it is for moksha, for some people it is for trayannatma phalam. Iti asmadeva vakyad avagantum shakyam. From this vakya itself we can understand. Asmad Vakya means this 18th mantra, we can understand that this arrangement is not possible. Tika. नहीं पृथिव्यै च इत्यादि वाक्यस्य एकस्य सकृत श्रुतस्य अनेकार्थत्वम. Is one vakya, it cannot have different meanings, many meanings. One vakya, only one meaning. Nahi prithivya cha means this 18th mantra, 1518. It is heard once, so it cannot have more than one meaning. In Bhashya, putradi sadhananam triyannatma phaladharshanena eva upaksheenatvat vakyasya. Putradi sadhana, their upakshaya, they are upakshena in triyannatma phaladharshana. And therefore, they will not give you moksha phalam. Vidyate hi tatha vakyam iti nyayadityartha. Otherwise, there will be vakya bheda. That you say the same vakya, same sadhana will give two different phalam, there is vakya bheda. Then somebody will say, but you say it can give chitta shuddhi also and it can give this phalam also. So how do you explain? Is it karma with upasana? We say they will give you loka prapti also, or they can give you chitta shuddhi also. So there you understand them, same thing giving two different phalam. And here you are saying, no, it cannot give two phalam. Vakya bheda prasanga. Why? Sakama, Nishkama. But Sakama will give one, Nishkama will give another. So here also somebody say same sadhana. Sakama will give Triyannatmak phalam. Nishkama will give moksha. This we saw somewhere. I have explained this in some context. I don't remember where we saw. See, karma, vidya, putra, karma, vidya, vitta, etc. All of them are giving you phalam which is anatma. And jnanam gives you, means Brahma jnanam gives you atma. In this they are different. When you say chitta shuddhi or loka prapti, they both are anatma sambandhi only. Therefore, that arrangement we can make. Karma or upasana will give anatma phalam. Sakama loka prapti. Nishkama chitta shuddhi means something in antakarana. But both are for anatma only. Whereas same kind of this kind of upasana or karma, you cannot say for some it will give moksha and for some it will give bandhana. Why? Because there is bheda. One is anatma, another is atma. So same sadhan cannot be for atma and anatma. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.